Well, that, folks. Takes a licking, but keeps on ticking. Watch this. Tighten up the small one. Put in the big one. Watch this. Literally almost no effort at all. Just stand here and go. Pop. Get this out of here. That one's a little bit off, but hey. Can't ask for much, really. Will that freaking thing make it that far? I don't know. This, get the magnet thing off there, like that. Cool. Yeah, we'll go like this. This over here. It's hard to believe this thing's about probably, I don't know, 60 years old. Because I know in 1960 something they changed it to Roper Whitney. This is Whitney machine tool. So yeah, apparently got bought out and changed it. Hey, what the hell? Thing still in there? Like giant sausages. Come on. There's the little hole. Where is it? Come on. There we go. That there. Punch a few holes. Boing! Boing, boing, boing. And this metal is what? 1/8? It's popping holes through like butter. So, not bad. Not bad at all. It's only for a barbecue. I'll stop recording here because I don't think you need 10 minutes of punching holes, right? So stay tuned.